more little Pookie do? We're gonna call this runny nose activities, right?
Yeah. Holy moly, guacamole. Ew, that's tricky.
That was tricky.
Another one.
Wait.
Sir.
Oi! That is long one. And what is it? Rek?
Tango.
Tudum. Hi Mila. How are you?
I will get you. I will get you.
You know why I'm here? We are going to learn with you short and long. Pull it. Is that long?
Yeah.
No, this one is short. Let's see this one. Wait, that is long one.
That is long. That's long.
That is long one.
That is long. Talk to me.
Tudum.
It's
Tudum.
cute.
Yes, I am cute. Bloop. Wait. Wait.
We can go. Oh, wonderful, but I have no hair on my face.
So how many short ones you have, Mila? Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3,
3. Good job.
3.
And long ones?
1, 2.
Yeah. You wanna do this one? Guys, look what I made for Mila. You know what you gotta do?
What?
Do you see triangles and squares and rectangles? So you have to move all these shapes inside to the right spot.
It's a circle.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Rectangle. Place in right position. Good job. What color is hiding there?
Red.
And what is it? Rek?
Tango. Let's get out.
Wait. Bloop. Look how pretty. Okay, you gotta close your eyes.
Bed, chair, and table.
It's a furniture, right?
Yeah. Not the dog.
Dog is not furniture.
I see your eye.
Okay, look.
What?
So what do we have here? Name everything.
Shirt,
Shorts.
dress, pill.
Pants.
That's good.
Everything is good here?
Yeah.
Are you sure? So what pants are? Pants are clothes?
Yeah.
Yes. So what about pillow?
Not it.
Pillow is not clothes.
Not it. Holy moly, guacamole. Ew, that's tricky.
That
Let's
was
do
tricky.
another one.
What is it?
C.
Mm-hmm.
What?
What is it? 1.
One.
What is it?
K.
And this one?
M. And not it.
Which one?
This is pink. And this is purple.
Oh, that's how you decide? You're so
And that's
smart.
purple. And it's not belongs here.
You are so smart, Mila.
Let's get this away then. Bye bye, my friend.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos.